All right. Now today, let me explain about the new topic. The topic name is called as a go back. Can I switch on? Do you want actually? Okay. '88. The topic name is called as a polynomial regression. What is the topic name, sir? Polynomial regression. And it is not one day topic. It is 2 day session. 2 sessions actually takes, but completely you have to be focused on today and tomorrow also. Then only you will understand this topic. It is a big topic actually. Get ready to understand. Okay. We'll see one by one. And 17. Daniel saving the model done. Model saving. Save the model. And the next topic is polynomial feature. And feature engineering plus one hot encoding plus ML actually. Both we are going to cover in another example. That's what an agenda will say accordingly. That's still okay. This one is upcoming topic. And this both we done actually. Let me close these two. This one also. Did I upload an assignment actually? Okay. Let me take this one quickly. We can start. Tell me, sir, what is the topic name? Polynomial features. Good. Now, here is the story. Sir, data two types, sir. These are all straight to the definitions. Completely, the explanation depends upon definitions only, right? Data two types. The first one will be linear data. What data? Linear data. The second one will be non-linear. What is the second one, sir? Non-linear actually, non-linear. Talk with me. What is the first one? Linear. The next one? Non-linear. What do you mean by linear, you know? What do you mean by linear? Good. So let me tell you. Daniel, I do have a variables. Okay, fine then. And I'm just trying to finding the relationship. Let's just try to find what exactly relationship. I'm trying to finding the relationship. Daniel, how? So simple. By using R. By using what value? R value, which is I covered later. Also called as a correlation. What is that? Correlation actually. Right. Daniel, if the data having relationship, if the data, think like, you know, having the relationship, having what exactly relationship, then you know, so if you plot the data, I mean, these are all point by point. Can I make a note actually? Okay, point by point, can I make a note? Let us not disturb you. First explain what do you mean by linear. Okay, what do you mean by linear, you know? So think like we have two variables, a kind of some two columns actually, two columns. The first one will be area, the next one will be rice packs, the very well known example. Yeah, or else area, the next one will be price of square foot actually. Okay, good. First of all, find the relationship. Find what exactly? A relationship actually. We can find the relationship. How we can find, you know? Simple, by using by using data visualization. By using what exactly, sir? Data visualization. We already know actually. Am I right? We can plot actually. We can plot. All right. Data visualization. And alternative also we do have, that is called as a correlation. What is that, sir? Correlation. Good. Daniel, here is a story. If we plot the data, actually, get ready. If you plot the data, then so we will get a graph. We'll get a graph like a line. Like what exactly, sir? Line. That is called as a linear data. That is called as a. I'm repeating again. Daniel, can you please give me one small example? Sure. Let me tell you. Actually. Simple, on x-axis I have taken, on y-axis, x-axis and y-axis I have taken. Then I have plotted the data. If you plot the data, I have plotted actually. When you plot the data, make a note actually, the data travels like a line. The data travels like a line actually. Then this is called as a linear data. It is called as a linear, what data? Good. Now what is not a linear, you should understand actually. What is not a linear? Imagine we have a two columns again. Now what we need to do is, I'm plotting the data. When I'm plotting the data, first of all, data is not traveling like a proper way actually. The data is traveling like a, sir, here is the one word you need to remember. That word is called as a, the data is traveling like a curve shape actually. What shape, sir? What shape? Curve shape actually. Right. Now, if the data, when you plot the data, if the diagram represent like a curve actually, that is called as a non-linear data. That is called as a, okay. If it is non-linear data, you should not apply linear regression. You have to apply polynomial regression. I hope you are clear actually. If the data is linear, apply linear regression. If the data is non-linear, apply polynomial regression. Apply. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? How you can recognize either the data is a linear or non-linear? Create a graph actually. By using that graph visualization, you will get a clear picture. If it is linear, you will get like a straight line. If it is non-linear, you will get like a curve shape actually. Good, we are good to go. Okay. If data having linear nature, then apply linear regression. Next one. Daniel, what do you mean by non-linear? Same story. Think like I'm just trying to taking. We have a two columns. We have what exactly? Two columns. Those two columns x comma y. Let me talk actually. Sir, find the relationship. Find what exactly? A relationship. By creating a, so by using visualization. By using data visualization. Or one more alternative, correlation or. Okay. Then Daniel, if you plot the data, if you what exactly? Plot the data. Then we, so we'll get what exactly, we got. Sorry, we will get graph like what exactly, sir? Graph like curve shape actually. What shape, man? Curve shape. If the data having non-linear nature, it is called as a, yeah, if you plot the data, then we'll get a graph line. It is called as a linear. It is called as what exactly, sir? Linear actually. Talk with me, it is called as a linear. Good. Then talk with me, it is called as a non-linear. Non-linear actually. If the data having non-linear nature, what nature? 2 points we have to be clear. If the data is non-linear, don't apply linear regression. With a bold letter I'm writing. Then next one, we need to apply, Chopan sir, we need to apply polynomial regression. Okay, that's what you need to get a clear picture. Polynomial regression you need to apply. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? Let me tell you. If the data is non-linear, can I apply linear regression? We should not apply. We need to apply polynomial regression. Are you clear till now? Good. Make a note on this. Practical, I will show you. Let's open the material. That's it. Polynomial. Okay. Let me tell you what do you mean by polynomial regression. A polynomial feature, and the next one will be polynomial regression. These are all things I will tell you. So first of all, poly means many. Poly means many. One of the topic in a Python which is called as a polymorphism. What is that? What do you mean by poly? You know, one form in many ways. Talk with me. It is kind of some one form in many ways actually. What is that one, sir? Many ways. So seems to be one form only, but it is existing in a different forms. If you want, let I just have to take a power actually. By using that power, what we can, cook the rice, and you can just try to apply, so switch on fan rotation, a kind of some lights actually. These are all, but seems to be one form only. But we are using the same form in what exactly mean? Different ways actually. Make a note on this. Okay. Poly means any idea? Many. Read the word actually. Feature. So seems to be you can go for feature engineering topic. What topic actually? What do you mean by feature engineering? Create a feature from existing feature is called as a feature engineering. In polynomial feature also we are doing in the same way actually. In polynomial feature also we are doing in the same way. One more important point. The point will be. What is the point you need to be understand? Sir. Linear regression formula. Chaptara. What is the formula, sir? What is the formula? Y equals to m1. Are we done multiple linear regression? m1 x1 plus m2 x2 plus m3 x3. Keep on. The cinema goes actually. x3 plus at what last actually? A kind of some intercept. A kind of some what exactly? Error value actually. But let me tell you, polynomial regression formula, important actually. Polynomial regression formula. Sir, when you're talking about the polynomial regression, you will get a square up value. Kind of some power values you will get. What values you will get? Power value. What do you mean by power value? Exponential value actually. Can I draw that formulas from our material actually? You'll get an idea. I will talk with you formula more actually. Get ready to understand. Chudani. Yeah, this is the formula. This one is a simple linear regression. Multiple linear regression. Sir, polynomial regression. Let me tell you. B0 plus B1 of x. B1 into x to the power 1 plus B2 x to the power 2. B3 x to the power 3. I mean polynomial regression formula having what exactly? Exponential value. What value? Exponential value actually. Make a note on this. Okay. This one is a simple linear regression, multiple linear regression, polynomial regression. You will get an idea. I can talk more. Polynomial features are type of feature engineering. Polynomial, when you're talking about the polynomial feature, simple, it is a feature engineering technique. It is what technique? Feature engineering technique. Means we are going to create a new features based on the existing feature. We are going to create a new feature based on existing feature. For example, if you want, let me take one small example. Let me just to take a polynomial feature. It will get kind of some what value? The power of actual coefficient value. What value, sir? Instead of coefficient, can I say exponential value? What value, sir? Exponential values actual for feature. You will get an idea practically. I will show you. Hey Daniel, can you show me one example polynomial feature? Hey, very simple, man. Let me tell you column number 1. The next one 1, 2, 3, 4. Think like 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm planning to, this one is the existing feature. Daniel, I'm planning to create a new features. I'm planning to create a new feature. Come on, you can just have to create a new features actually. To create a new features, what we need to do, first of all, do one thing. Take as it is actually, column number one, and we'll do one thing. Let me take this row. I have one small question. 1 into 1, what is the result? 1. 2 into 1, 3 into 1, 4 into 1. Now for every feature, there is a one feature behind of that one. That is a one value. What value? Okay, column number 2. Column number 2. Think like 1. 1. It's okay. The next one will be 1. The next one will be 1. Point number 1. Sir, we have created a new feature. We have created a new feature. Column number 3. We will do one thing. Don't think too much. Can you tell me 1 square? What is the result? 1. 2 square? Sorry. 2 square, what is the result? 4. And 3 square? 9. And 4 square? Very good, sir. 16 actually. We are good to go. Okay. Like this is what I applied. Any idea here actually? Yeah, square up. I have then you can apply cube also. You can apply something also. Online team, are you clear, sir? Till now, are you clear? I need one response, man. Screening test pattern and syllabus actually. Maybe I can talk. Didn't get column 2. Sir, column 2 is exist. Column 2. Think like, first of all, this one is existing feature. As it is, I have taken 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what I am doing, column number 2. So think like here already there is a hidden value. Hidden value will be 1 into 1. There is one more hidden value, 2 into 1. There is a one more hidden value, 3 into 1 actually. That one I have separated, sir. Are you with me? No, I'm sorry. Hope you understand. Siddiq Sarji. You understand, I guess. Okay, cool. One small good news, sir. That is my personal work actually. But anyway, let me share. I like material preparation, man. In my free time, I'm updating the material. Especially this time, I have focused on. I have focused on completely for interview preparation. Completely for what preparation? Interview. Why? Because the course, the topics, once you understand, it's the right time for interview. You have to prepare in such a way that you should not spend much time for interview. You need kind of some material. That material you need to walk through very quickly. Actually, are you already prepared? Are you already prepared? If you want, you can just try to check here. But I got a free time. I'm updating the materials actually. You can just have to check here, and here you can see interview kit actually. Interview, what exactly mean? Kit. Here you can see these are all. But yesterday I got around some 2 to 3 hours time. I got free time. Now I am preparing. These are all interview questions chapter wise actually. What is that, sir? Chapter wise, right? In a fundamentals on an average, I can notice some 20 questions would have, and I have prepared. Format also looks pretty good. The format also. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Let me click on this one. Okay. These are all fundamental related questions. What do you mean by fundamental? Here I added a tag also. The tag will be entry level question. What question? Entry. Like you didn't get a job. You're trying for a job. When you are attending interview, what to prepare? Entry level, like a basic question. The next one will be junior question. What do you mean by junior? You got a job, but still you need to learn something. That is a junior level question. The next one, senior question. Next one is a senior question. Now click on this one. What is the first one? What is machine learning? Good. So when you are preparing the machine learning interview, it's not like a bulk theory. Straight to the point actually. 1 or 2 points. You have to explain in such a way that actually. Okay. And recently I done little course. That course will be how to create a diagrams. How to create a diagrams. Why? Because nowadays students are asking more, sir, can you add some images also? That course also I done. These are all images we have created. I know it is a very small one, but we really put nice effort actually. This one is a theory, sir. ML is a subset of machine learning. ML involves the use of statistical models and algorithms. What is it one, sir? To enable computers to learn from what exactly? Yeah, exactly. From our material only, the definition will be. The next question. This is quite interesting. You have to be understand. What is the second question, you know? Daniel, it's okay. You can talk like when you're talking about the machine learning, when you're talking about what exactly, sir, machine learning. Before machine learning and after machine learning. Before machine learning also, the problems are existing. The problems were existing. How the companies solved that one? How the companies solved, you know, sir, before machine learning? All companies used to use rule-based actually. What is that one, sir? Rule-based system. Statistical method. Rule-based in the sense, you know, if and else condition. They used to write a, you know, such a program that if and else condition. Statistical method. Mathematical models. This one is a manual feature, sir. Did you notice? I thought it is over. Material preparation is challenging, sir. I need to update actually. It is a manual feature. Feature engineering you need to do manually. Feature engineering you need to do manually. But no Python those days actually. Gone case. Kind of some you need to understand optimization. There are some different optimization. So heuristics and the next one other things also would have. Limited automation. What is that? I have given little theory. So experts who are all very good, they used to create if and else rules and fraud detection, banks, very hard to scale actually, very too difficult olden days, right? I will share this material walkthrough and the next questions will be after machine learning, sir, what happened, you know, after machine learning, talk with me, self-learning model. Machine learning algorithm, we are giving the data, it is self-learning. It is self-learning. You no need to, that's what called as a without programming. I mean, you no need to, you explicitly, you no need to write a program actually. Okay. The next one will be improved accuracy, scalability. You can just try to scale the model. Automation we can do. Decision making. Sir, talk with me. Many more features actually. Format also looks good, right? Ayo, Chapan sir. Yeah. Definitely. I have prepared. I got a really nice time. The two, the box format feels awesome actually. Oh, okay. We can easy to understand like this. Yeah, simple. Instead of directly attacking machine learning algorithm, first of all, understand what is an algorithm. The next one will be, what is a machine learning algorithm? The next one will be, what is the next question, you know, sir? What is the difference between machine learning algorithm and what exactly normal algorithm is actually? Normal algorithms. We created this one. Maybe if you wait for another 1 week, I can upload these all. It will be helpful for you. Okay. It is in progress. I'm uploading these all. Ensure that you will get an idea. Online team. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Your words really inspired actually. Why? Because, you know, if you're telling this material looks good, I can put more efforts. That's my main motto. I'm not asking any biscuits actually. If it is some changes also, you can tell that you can helpful actually. Chudani, first time I feel like, you know, when I'm preparing the material, sir, I don't know, by God grace, I was blessed actually. Material preparation is, I'm very mad actually. Material preparation, content creation, frankly speaking, we are very good. Especially in a layman terminology. What terminology? I won't like to use more technical terminology. In a simple way, you need to understand the topic. That's what you need to be understand, right? And these are all, what is machine learning algorithm? What is the difference between, you know, so why machine learning algorithm? Explain the machine learning algorithm workflow. Quite interesting. What are all the different approaches in machine learning algorithm? What is a supervised learning? Types of supervised learning. What is regression? What is, you sir, I'm sure you will enjoy a lot actually. You will enjoy that. I don't want to elaborate more and more questions. On an average, per topic wise, you need to be understand max to max 20 to 30 questions. How many? More than enough. You can give left and right during interview actually. So conclusion of this story, you will get the best content from my side. No doubt in that. And you have to prepare from your side actually. That's what. Okay. Cool. Fine then. Let me stop my overaction. Okay. So I will share. These are all ML fundamentals. Good man. Let's continue. Where are we? Currently, we are discussing about the polynomial regression. What do you mean by polynomial feature? I will talk with you. For example, if the data set having one feature, then the polynomial feature would be the addition of new feature. Otherwise, you can also call as a, you can apply kind of some square up value actually. This process can be repeated for each input variable in the data set for created a transformed version of each actually. Think like there are two columns. Hey Daniel, can I apply same thing actually on every column you can apply? Sir, this word is important. Read this word actually. Degree. 3 times you can read. First time, degree. Second time, third time. Remember this one. Total topic depend upon this word actually. Total topic. I can talk tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow or today. We'll see. Why? Because it is a lengthy topic. Need of polynomial features. Need of polynomial feature. If you apply linear model on linear data set, then by this time you should know what do you mean by linear. By this time you should know. Linear data set, then it provides a good result. And especially you can go for simple linear regression. You can go for, if it is a one feature, simple linear regression. If it is a more than, a kind of some two or more target features actually, you can go for multiple linear. Sir, if you apply same model without any modification on non-linear data set, then we'll get a wrong results. We'll get a go back, and here I already told actually, if the data is non-linear, don't apply. If you apply, you will get a wrong results. If you apply, you will get a, I will show you practically, you will get an idea. Okay. That's what you need to be understand. If you apply same linear model without any modifications on non-linear data set, then it will produce the wrong results actually. Due to this, what happened, sir, the error rate, it will be very high actually. Error rate, it will be very high, very high. Ensure that, okay, make a note on this one. Sir, first of all, frankly speaking, the data is traveling like a curve shape actually. What shape, man? If the data is traveling like a curve shape, if the data is traveling like a line actually, you can draw a line. You can draw a, if the data is traveling like a bowl shape, curve shape, please don't apply simple linear regression. You need to apply polynomial regression. What regression? This is the theory, sir. There are some formulas also you need to be understand. Simple linear regression. This is the formula y equals to b0 plus b1 of x, and multiple linear regression. This is the formula. Polynomial regression. Polynomial regression. For every feature, think like, here you will get kind of some especially to the power, kind of some exponential actually. Yeah, man. Let's continue. We are good to go. Did I cover Notepad++? We'll do one thing. Let us just try to import as array function from NumPy. Import as array. There is one small function. We are taking 2, 3, 4. Data equals to as array function we are taking, and here we are directly taking nested list actually. First value and second value and third value. Let me just try to take a 2, 3, 4. If you want, you can separate this one actually. A equals to, Daniel, can I take this one separately? Up to you, sir. You can do actually. Yeah. Daniel, data is ready. Maybe I already told this one. Screening test is only for offline team actually. Shravan Kumar, thank you so much. And Nageswara Sarji, thank you. Thank you for your kind words. Just now I have seen. Yeah. We are putting our efforts actually. Material content. I like content creation. The next one, Ganesh sir. I saw that the screening test is about to conduct. Did we complete 80% syllabus and we are eligible to attend actually? What I can say, we done almost, I can say 65% we done, sir. Machine learning is the major topic actually. But let me tell you, anyone can attend. There is no limit, attempt limit actually. You already given first time. And here onwards, every 1 month or 45 days, they will conduct the test actually. No, No. It's a kind of they will give the paper and you have to write actually. They will give the paper and in that paper questions would you have, you need to write. There is no system test actually. There is no online support. Did I told why online? Why I online did I told actually? I hope I already told in the last week. Okay. Anyway, back to the session, please. Now, Daniel, we have an array. Can I apply polynomial feature? Yeah, you can apply, sir. To apply a polynomial feature, yeah, good. Any idea what is this? Class, sir, wherever you go, one topic follows you. The topic name is called as a class actually. That's point very important. Tell me our methodology. Import a class, create an object, calling a method. Chappan sir. Import a class, create an object, call a method. This how you need to remember, you know. A small kids they will play, right? Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Ala gurtinchukovali. You have to remember like that actually. Okay. I'm sorry for getting. You have to import the class polynomial feature. This polynomial feature class, polynomial features. Let us just have to import. We are importing the class, creating an object, calling a method. Calling a method. Are you ready, sir? Let's just have to. What is this one? Any idea? No. What is this actually? Any idea? Degree. Right. Let me tell you. Come on. Here onwards, the code will be, I can only type, sir. sklearn dot pre-processing. Pre-processing actually. Import polynomial features. Polynomial, what exactly? Feature. Successfully, we are able to import the class. Daniel, the next step will be creating an object. What is the next step actually? Creating an object. Obj equals to, we are creating an object. We are good to go. During object creation, we need to provide degree value. What value, sir? Degree value. Degree value. sklearn. I'm sorry. Thank you. sklearn. Thank you. Degree. How much degree, sir? 1. All right. Get ready. We have imported a class successfully. Object creation also ready. Then what is the next step, sir? Calling a method. What is the next step? Calling a method. We'll do one thing. Let me just say to data 2 equals to, I will do one thing. This one I can call as a data 1. Now here is the story. Obj dot and fit underscore, what is this one, sir? Transform. Transform actually. And here you need to provide data 1. Here you need to provide data 1 actually. Make a note on this. Now team, get ready. Let me just try to call data. If it is data 1, then I can call here data 1. The next one will be data 2. Sure, sir. Let us just try to call this. Very good. Very good. Any idea what I have applied? Degree equals to 1. First of all, it is taking the existing feature and it is creating the new feature. Creating a new feature. Now let me tell you. First of all, we are getting as it is 2, 3, 4, but we are getting a floating value. That is okay. We are getting what values, man? Floating value. Let me tell you. When it comes to computer, the nature will be, it can understand and it can compute the floating values in a very fast manner actually. In a very fast way. If you are giving integer value, system takes some time to understand. But if you are giving float value performance is super fast, sir. I have read the documentation, DeepSeek model. What model? Exactly, backend completely DeepSeek. I hope you might have actually. DeepSeek. Are you aware about this? Yeah, I hope you might hear. They have implemented with Python. Let me tell you the total computation values backend they applied only on floating value computation. What value computation? Now here is the beauty. The moment whenever you are calling fit underscore transform, the method itself directly giving floating values, madam. What values? Make a note on this. And especially 2 into 1, 1. 3 into 1, 1. 4 into 1, 1. We are good to go. Are you clear? All right. Let's take this example. Daniel, first of all, one feature. Single feature actually. Single feature and degree value, how much we are providing? 1. Remember like this. Next example is copy paste actually. Now make a note on this one. Let us change this value. 1 to 2 actually. Let us run the code. Sir, already get ready. All right. 2, 3, 4, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0. First point. Existing feature, 1 into 2, 1 into 3, 1 into 4. Simple thing like, for every this one, 2 into 1, 3 into 1, 4 into 1, that one value it is separating here actually. That's what you are getting, one single column. Sir, I would like to talk with you. Did you remember feature engineering definition? First of all, it is the feature. Creating a feature from existing feature is called as a feature. That's what it is happening here actually. Okay. Now any idea, what is the 4 value? 2 square. Next one, 3 square. Next one, 4 square. That's what you need to get a clear picture. But what is the degree value? Sir, what is the next one, But how the calculation happening in the backend? Not at all required actually. No, sir. 2 means 2 feature, 3 means 3 features. It was not like that actually. It was not like that. The moment whenever you are providing degree equals to 3, I will tell you, understand the calculation actually. Now get ready. Get ready. Make a note on this one. But when I'm talking about the especially 2 columns, you will get a more clear. As of now, I'm taking only single column. As of now, I'm taking single column actually. Single column. Good. Yeah, 1, 1, 1 as it is. Existing feature only. Talk with me, sir. 2 square. Choppan, sir. Next one. 3 square. 4 square. 2 cube. 3 cube. 4 cube. We are good to go. One feature and a degree value 3. I will tell you, sir. Separate discussion. First of all, so understand the existing topic actually. Degree value 3. Degree value what exactly? 3? There is a good question. Hey Daniel, like this, how many we can give? End of the topic, I will talk actually. You will get an idea. Till now, we have done for single column. Yeah, I have applied degree value 2. Even I have applied degree value 3. These are all things we done actually. These are all things we done. More the next topic. The next topic will be, now we are going to create a 2 features. We are going to create a, are you ready? Let me create actually. Right? And array equals to, I'm sorry, let me tell you, this point I would like to cover one more time. In a NumPy, we can create a array in a many ways. The first one, array function we can use. What function? And you can use as array function also. That is still valid example. Okay. Now we are taking nested example 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I can just try to come here. Can I take here 2, 3? The next one. Can somebody tell me 4, 5? The next one 6, 7. 6, what exactly? 7. Now, sorry, sir. Let us just try to recreate actually. First of all, import the library from NumPy. Import as array. All right. Then we are just trying to creating an array. To create an array, data1 equals to as array of. We are calling this function. You can just have to take a nested list actually. Daniel A equals to 2, 3. The next one 4, 5. The next one 6, 7. Now here is the story. Daniel, ready. Array is ready. Then can I apply feature engineering? Let us apply. Array is ready, Daniel. Let us apply feature engineering. To apply feature engineering, what we need to do? We need to import a class. What is the class name? Polynomial feature. The next one, create an object. Next one, call a method. Students are polynomial feature. How can you say this is the class? Started with capital letter. Good. One small point you already know actually. In Python, if I didn't spend a time, sir, class name starts with capital letter. If other words it is also having capital letter. If those days, if I was unable to continue, I was unable to explain, then today you cannot understand what is this actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. The next one, whenever you are importing the class, importing class only one purpose actually, immediately next step is object creation. Immediately next step is a, that's it actually, no doubt in that. Once after object is created, the next step is call a method. Call a, that's it. By using object name, we can call two things actually. One is attributes, next one methods. That's what actually, okay? We are good to go. Yeah, Daniel, come on, let us just try to move on. What I can do is, now we can just try to import this one. Yeah, successfully we have from sklearn dot pre-processing import polynomial features actually, okay? And we have created an array, and for that array we are going to apply. Sorry, sir. Daniel, object creation is ready. I have created an object successfully, otherwise transforming the feature. Read the class name, polynomial. Read the specific word actually, feature. I mean to say poly. Many features we are going to create. One. Now, let me just try to access. All right. Get ready, sir. We need to call a fit underscore transform method. What method actually? Fit underscore transform. Data2 equals to obj dot fit underscore transform. Here what I need to provide? Data 1. Good. Get ready, sir. Let me print the data 1 and let me print to data 2. You will get an idea. Good, we are good to go. Just we are getting only one column as a all or ones actually. By default, this one will get, sir. All or what exactly? A single column with all or ones actually. I'm pretty sure. What is the degree value? 1. 2 columns. How many? 2 columns, and degree value is the 1 actually. Okay. Move to the next example. Can you guess what is the next example? Cheppandi, degree value. That's it. Let's apply. This one is a quite and little interesting. Focus on this. Make a note on this one. And now, please understand, this one is a quite interesting point. How much we are giving here? 2. Now, this is the calculation it is happening in the backend. Daniel, do we need to remember this calculation? Not at all required, but just try to understand. First of all, from the existing feature, we have created a new features. We have created a new features. Yeah, 1, 1, 1 we are getting. And we are getting as it is actually. What we are getting, hey Daniel, 2, 4, 6. Yeah, 2, 4, 6. The next one will be 3, 5, 7. The next one will be 3, 5, 7 as it is. Now here onwards, listen carefully. 2 into 2 square result. Sir, you need to talk with me. One more time. 2 square 4. 4 square 16. 6 square 36. We are good to go. The next one. 3 square 9. 5 square 25. 7 square. But in between 2 into 3 6. 4 into 5 6 into 7. That's what you need to understand. But you don't need to be mess up with these are all calculations, not at all required actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. Let's take this example. Mem, good question. But let me tell you, good question. Daniel, what is the use of creating these are all features? First of all, understand how to create a feature. We didn't enter into the actual topic actually. Once we enter into the actual topic, you will understand, okay, here polynomial feature is required. Here what is required? At that time I will tell you, we already done, how to create polynomial feature actually. Okay, yeah. I can just have to take this one. Now, can you tell me? 2 features. How many, sir? 2 features with, what is the degree value? Degree equals to 2. Make a note on this. We are good to go. Daniel, we can still provide 3 also. We can still provide what exactly? Ayo, sir, if you are providing the 3, get ready, lot of big calculation. We are not focusing on that as of now. Don't worry on this. Such a 1 kilometer calculations you will get actually. Don't worry. Sir, I'm sorry. There are some questions I need to skip as of now. On what level? A kind of some degree value, 3, 5, 6, what level? I can talk with you more. I can talk with you guys more actually. Now the good news will be, now I'm entering into the actual topic. Till now, are you clear? Till now, what I covered, how to create a many features from existing feature. Do I need to create a manually? No. Just we need to depends upon one class. What is the class name? Polynomial feature. What is the method name? Fit underscore. That's it. We are good to go. Degree value. What is the degree value, sir? 3, I guess, right? 3 kada? Yeah. Yeah. Now, actual cinema started now. I'm sorry, there are some questions. Daniel, why you created a feature? What is the degree value? You are taking 1, 2, 3 degree value. Can I take a 10? These are all questions I parked actually. Now today you will get a clarity. Now let's move on. You will get an understand. Tim, what is the first step? Any idea? Loading the data set. Okay, let us just have to load the data set. Yeah, first step is importing the libraries. Importing the libraries. Daniel, the topic is a polynomial regression. What is the topic name? Polynomial regression. Why the feature word came, I will tell you. Let us just have to move on to the next topic. Step number 1. Step number 1. Importing the libraries. Importing what exactly? Libraries. Did I miss anything? The font changed actually. Importing the libraries. What library we are importing as of now? Import pandas as a PD. Step number 2. Loading the data set. Step number 2. Loading the data set. Sir, one small surprise to everyone actually. One small surprise. That surprise will be, get the data set. What is the data set name? Poly underscore data set. Go back and you can just have to go to our material and oh, not this. Yeah, this is the data set. We'll do one thing. Let's open the data set and we'll have some discussion. Let's open the data set. Yeah, man. So imagine, think like I have one startup company. Think like that. In company, every company, they do have some levels. Based on that levels only, people will get a salary. We'd have some different roles. I mean to say, first one will be Chopan sir, BA, business analyst, and his level I have given like a 1. And how much is salary? 45,000. Junior consultant 2, 50,000. Senior consultant, like that, we'd have a different roles and responsibilities. Sir, though this is a categorical data, what data actually? I just wanted to maintain some numerical data also, so that I can understand their grade, where they stand actually. Now, look at only these 2 columns. Look at only these 2 columns. Now the first one will be 1 45,000, 2 50,000, 3 60,000, 4 80,000, respectively 10 how much actually? 10 lakhs. Now by looking at the data, you can feel something. What is that? Yeah, make a note on this one. If no doubt at all level is increasing, automatically what is happening? Salary is increasing. We will do one thing. Yeah, we sense that there is a linear relationship actually, but don't confirm. To confirm either it is linear or not, what we need to do? Come again? Very good. Plot the data. What we need to do? Remember the definitions. I already covered actually. Let's do one thing. Hey Daniel, this is the data. This is the data, Daniel. This is the data. by looking at the data, you understand very clearly. We feel like feel like having, so we feel like we can apply what exactly? Linear regression. But let me tell you, let us plot the data. Yeah, good. So we got a data like this actually. Online team, I hope you're following, sir. So my explanation, every point is important actually. Now here the data preparation. What is that? Data preparation. Let's do the data preparation also. Yeah, good. Go back to the session. One small point actually. In simple linear regression, did you remember? Input and output should be input and output should be array format. That is okay. Array format actually. Input should be column. Output should be row. Output should be row. To get this column, what is the syntax we applied actually? Df underscore df df new underscore df new underscore what exactly df of you just try to call first one will be kind of what exactly shape. I'm sorry sir, dot values we applied actually. What you applied me? Dot values. A kind of you are dropping. Sir, what I mean to say that is single column data frame dot values you applied. Are you with me? The next one. Second one will be series. What is the next one? Series dot values you applied. So don't think like not only these two. You can go back and you can still apply ILOC also. What you can apply? ILOC also. Then if you should not ask a question, what is ILOC actually? Are you with me or not, sir? We already covered, right? To get the feature, X is the column and Y is the row, you can still apply this kind of code also. You can still apply what exactly? This kind of code also. Make a note on this. Then, do the little practice on ILOC. Pandas, it will be helpful for you. Step number 3. Step number 3. 3 should be, any idea? Data preparation. Data preparation, I mean to say that X equals to, can I copy these two? Wow, ready sir? You can just have to print off X and you can just have to print off Y. You will get a clarity. Yeah, X should be column. Yeah, very good sir. Ready, data is ready. Y should be row. Y should be, first point both are arrays. Both are, conclusion of the story, this is also one of the way. Hey Daniel, I won't like ILOC actually. Can I apply previous topic? Up to you sir. It is in your hand actually. You no need my permission. If you want, you can go back. You can drop, what you can drop actually? Salary you can drop. Then you will get a single column data frame. Over that you can apply values actually. Then you will get a X. You will get what exactly sir? X actually. Yeah. Okay. I'm focusing on only this one actually. Okay. You can drop, what is that? Role. Yeah, position you can drop. The next one will be salary also. I mean, I hope you know how to do actually. Am I right or not, madam? Okay. Fine then. Let's move on. Can I copy this code actually? I mean to say steps from 1 to 3. We are good to go. Take this code. Sir, any idea what is the next step actually? Yeah. Now let's do one thing. Let's apply data visualization. Let's apply. X-axis would you have, Y-axis would you have? It's a right time. Let's apply data visualization. Plotting the data. To plot the data, especially nothing, any idea what is a scatter actually? Scatter plot. To create a scatter plot, we need to call a function. We need to call a, let us just have to do the data visualization. Daniel, this step is called as some special step. Special. You have to import matplotlib. We are good to go. Then when it comes to a special step, what we need to do, sir? Scatter plot you can call and title you can apply. And next one, X label, Y label. Can I run the code actually? Can I run the code? Do you think you will get output actually? No. What is missing? Run the code, sir. Yeah. Make a note on this. Sir, this is the story. This is the story. Do you think data is traveling like a line? No, no, no. What I wanted to talk with you today, think like if X is increasing, then Y is increasing. This is called as a linear regression. What regression? Linear regression. Now next scenario. If X is increasing, then Y cannot increase like a proportional actually. Like what exactly mean? Proportional. Can I give one small example? Proportional actually. Proportional. Let me tell you. What do you mean by linear regression example? Linear regression example. That is okay. Sir, this one is area and this one will be rice packs. This one will be what exactly mean? Rice packs actually. 1, 10. 2, talk with me. Sir, more area. Talk with me, sir. More rice packets. The next one. More area. Talk with me. More rice packets. Next one will be 4, 40. Very good. Can I tell you what do you mean by non-linear actually? What do you mean by non-linear actually? Non-linear. Think like this one is a medicine dose actually. This one is what exactly? Medicine dose. This one is fever level actually. What is that one, sir? Fever level. Right. So you have taken one dose actually. So think like 25% recovered. How much actually? Do you think immediately you can take 2 doses actually? Just to recover 50%? This is invalid actually. Think like this. Look at the data, you can understand. Hey Daniel, will doctor will tell, sir, total medicine one day only actually. No, 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 no. Sir, that is called as a non-linear. That is called as a non-linear actually. Non-linear. I'm sorry, sir. Invalid actually. What is that? Invalid. And can I take the 3 medicines actually, Daniel, in one shot actually? Then I will get a 75% of the recovery. Sir, invalid actually. Frankly speaking, invalid. It is not a proportional increasing actually. But it is increasing at certain level. What level? Certain level. That's what I'm sure you got a clarity what is linear and what is non-linear. Are you with me or not, sir? What do you mean by non-linear? If the data is traveling like a line, that is called as a linear. If the data is traveling like a curve shape, what shape? Now here is the story. If you apply linear regression, sir, sorry, sir, this is the wrong actually, wrong line. Of course, it will do the prediction. It will do wrong prediction. We'll do one thing. First, we'll do one thing. We will create a linear regression. Then we will understand the problem with the linear regression. We will understand problem with the linear regression. Then we can solve that problem by using polynomial regression. We can solve that problem by using polynomial regression. Sir, what is the best fitted line? The best fitted line is supposed to pass through the data points where are all data points would have actually. This one is the best fitted line. This line is what exactly? Sir, best fitted line. But if you have drawn like this actually, this one is a wrong line. What line actually? Meeku ardhamainda leda sir? You got a clarity, I guess. Very good. Nice discussion actually. We can draw, we are doing, sir. Siddiq Sarji, to draw a line, you just need to use line graph actually. We are drawing the line actually, right? So don't worry. I will show you that example also. This example will be, here we have focused on more on plotting the data. What data, sir? Plotting the data. If you plot the data, the graph looks like this actually. All right. Model training. Now what exactly I'm doing is, we'll do one thing. First of all, Daniel, I do have a non-linear data. I do have what data? Over the non-linear data, let's apply, first of all, you should not apply linear regression. What we can apply? Linear regression. I'm sure we'll get a wrong prediction. What prediction? wrong result, wrong prediction will get actually. Let's check that actually. Let us verify. Let us what exactly verify. Then you will get a clarity. Then so the solution. Daniel, what is the solution? The solution will be apply polynomial feature. Apply what exactly? Polynomial. I mean, instead of telling theoretically, let us apply practically. Let us apply. Are you with me or not, sir? Come on, let's do that actually. Come on, let's do that. Go back, then these are all data visualization not required, I need to delete, and these are all not required, I need to delete. But one shot, let me run the code. Where are we? You can easy to understand. Can you tell me on which steps we are, sir, actually? Importing the libraries, loading the data set. Next one. What is the next step? Splitting the data. Maybe splitting the data, we made it like optional today. Please. Why? Because today is the Monday actually. Do you think because of Monday? No, sir. Less data. Splitting data set. Optional, Daniel. That's okay. Step number 5, model creation. Step number 5, model creation. Model equals to linear regression. First of all, you can import actually. You can import the linear regression. Yeah, we have imported the linear regression. Then, all right, you can just have to call linear regression successfully. Steps 5 we done actually. Come on, sir. Good. Talk with me. What is the next step? Model training. What we need to do? We need to call a method. Method name is a fit method. Model.fit method, and here, do you think x train, y train? No. What we need to pass? X comma y. Here is the story. Yeah. Next step is a prediction. Now we applied linear regression on non-linear data. Come on, one more time. We applied linear regression on what data? Then we will get a prediction. But that prediction will be wrong prediction. What prediction? Wrong result will get. Let me show you practically. Make practical. You will get an idea. Such a fun actually here. Am I going speed actually? No, right? We are in the flow. We'll do one thing. Daniel, take the data. Where is the data, sir? Where is the data? And I have copied here actually. Yeah, this is the data. It's okay. Daniel, over this data, what you applied, Daniel? Sir, I have applied linear. First of all, it is non-linear data. What data? Non-linear. Then applied. Applied what exactly? Linear regression. Linear what exactly? Regression. Let's do the prediction. Let's do what exactly mean? Prediction actually. It's okay. Let us specify these are all points by point. You will get an idea. Daniel, let's do the prediction. Let's do what exactly? Prediction. What do you mean by prediction? We'll do one thing. Think like I'm the CEO or else I'm the MD of my startup company. These are all levels. I'm planning to bring one more new level. In between 6 to 7, let us just try to introduce 6.5 level. What level? Yeah, maybe I'm planning to recruit one person. That person work. He's supposed to, he's the senior for this guy and he's the junior for what exactly this guy. You tell me how much is salary actually. In enta salary vachu? Yeah, it should be 1,15,000 to in between. Am I right or not, sir? This is the salary. This is the salary I need to provide actually. This is the salary I need to provide. Now, if you do the prediction with the model supposed to tell, Daniel, you have to give the salary more than 1,50,000 to less than it should be. Are you with me or not, sir? Come on, let's do that actually. Okay. Come on. Model dot predict method. What method actually? Predict method. And here what I need to provide, sir? Chappan is 6.5. Okay, very good. Let's do actually. Quite interesting, sir. Our model is doing prediction, but what kind of prediction it is doing, you can understand. Chudani. Sir, I am writing the code. No jantar mantar actually. Let us run the code actually, right? Let us apply here. Chaptara. How much I need to apply? 6.5. How much is salary you are expecting? In between 1,50,000 to 2 lakhs. In between. Which I supposed to give the salary more than this person and less than this person actually. Yeah, get ready. I am running the model to create an offer letter actually. To create what exactly, sir? Offer letter. Let me run this one actually. Oh my God. How much it is giving, sir? Chappan? 3 lakhs? 30. I'm sorry. Now my model is telling, Daniel, give this much salary actually. Give how much actually? This much salary. Seriously, if I have given this much salary, what happened, you know? First of all, this guy, he will directly call me. Hey, Daniel, I wanted to talk with you. Come to room number 202 actually. Then I came and he is very aggressive mode. He is telling, there was a junior joined with me. There was a junior joined with me. Afternoon, we had a lunch each other. I just asked how much salary actually. Generally, we should not reveal the salary. That's what till date I didn't explain about my salary. Don't ask. I'm sorry for getting. Sir, how much is salary actually? Can I give? Now, model done prediction, but what prediction? This is the confirmation. This is now conclusion of the story. Linear regression failed here. Why failed actually? Data is not linear. Data is not practical proof actually. It is not a theory. We have proved practically, right? Now, what we need to understand is, sorry, this is wrong prediction. This is what exactly? Wrong prediction done by చెప్పండి sir, linear regression. Linear what exactly? Regression. Linear regression. That's what you need to be understand. Are you clear till now? Move on. Seriously, you came across actually. Person to person having ego issues because of salary actually, right? You know, we are doing steps from 1 to 7 with linear regression. Perfect. Move to the next step actually. Move to what exactly mean? Next step. Now here is the story. Where is the story? Here is the story. Take the again features. Now I have a question for you. Tell me, sir. Any idea what is this? Feature. Level. Yeah, very good. Feature. This one is called as a target variable. What variable? Now let me tell you. In this scenario, first of all, it is a polynomial regression. First of all, polynomial data. What data? Now what we need to do is, you need to create a more feature by taking this feature actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Then your model works very well actually. What we need to do is, you are giving as it is data, model is not working properly. Then do one thing. Create again another feature number 1. You know, let me cover, sir. Let me cover step by step. You will get an idea actually. Either how many features I can take, you need to apply the degree value. You can apply F2 and you can apply what exactly? F3. And you can apply what exactly? F3. Now, very good. How many features we have created actually? From the existing feature, I have created almost 3 features. Now, these are all will become input actually. These are all become what exactly input? It is called as a polynomial features. It is called as a polynomial features. Are you clear about the topic actually? Now, we need to train our model with polynomial feature. With what feature? Polynomial feature. Then model will give the right prediction. Model will give. Are you clear till now? మీకు ఇప్పటివరకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్? Are you feeling boring? Good. We are good to go, sir. Let's move on. Can I talk with online team? Online team, are you clear till now? You're right, sir. Shravan Kumarji. Okay, back to the session. Now here you will get an idea. Model prediction we done actually. Oh my God. 3 lakhs, 3 lakhs, what exactly? 30,000. Oh, very good. Previously, when someone asked a question, then you'll do one thing. You can just have to draw a plot actually. You can just have to draw what exactly plot. Exactly practically we done this one, sir. Practically we done actually this one. What we done? First of all, we have plotted the data. This line created by using a linear regression. Now that linear regression is doing the prediction like this. What kind of prediction it is doing, you know? I can say this one is a 6.7 and this one will be 6.5 actually, kada? Am I right? Now, whenever you are doing the prediction, it can touch this line actually. Sir, I don't have a scale, I'm sorry, but let me try my best. Ooh, ayyo. Yeah, good. Then it should be, then you can just have to plot here actually, sir, it should be more than 3 lakhs actually. Are you getting? Then who is doing prediction? Linear regression. I'm sorry, wrong prediction. What prediction, sir? Wrong prediction. Are you with me? Let us just have to plot the data. Theoretically and programmatically, you have to be very clear actually. Come on, let's just have to create a polynomial, you know, plotting the data also let us apply actually. Data visualization I'm applying. Daniel, data visualization I'm applying. Special step. Let's import matplotlib. Yeah, you can create a scatter plot. Existing input and output you need to type. You can just have to apply plotting actually. By this time you should know. Plot what it will do. Create a line. Create what exactly? Line actually. And existing input we have to take. And output should be, you have to take a prediction output actually. What output, sir? I mean, here you need to call model.predict. Model dot what exactly? Predict actually. And ensure that the remaining all things you can get a clarity. Sir, even someone asked previously, can we draw a line? Yes, we have draw a line actually. Frankly speaking, ayyo sir. No. This one is a wrong prediction. First of all, data is traveling like a snake actually. How you can apply the stick actually, right? This one is a wrong prediction. Okay. Make a note on this. Images. Zeroth image. If you really done linear regression, sir, to understand about polynomial regression, you have to be very clear in a linear regression. Very clear in what exactly? Linear regression. We are good to go. Let's take this example. Daniel, what we done? Sir, steps number from 1 to 7 plus plotting the data also we done. Plotting the data. We done these are all steps actually. We done these are all steps actually. Now, here is the story. Here is the story. Till now, are you clear? Now, what is the here onwards? What is going on? You know, let us learn how to create a polynomial. I already covered actually. Even somebody asked, you know, what is the use of creating a polynomial feature? Now you will get a clarity actually. Right. Now to create a polynomial feature, what we need to do? Import a class. The next one, creating an object. Next one, calling a method. What is the method name? That's it. That's why previously I covered that examples. Now you can feel very easy actually. Otherwise here I need to spend a lot of time. Sir, this is the way we can create a polynomial feature. You know, so that step I can walk through very quickly actually, right? Now come on, let us just have to import the class, Daniel. First of all, you can delete the plotting technique actually. Okay, we're just trying to deleting these are all plotting technique, and these are all things. It's okay, sir. Delete it actually. Importing the libraries. These are all libraries we are importing, Daniel. What are all libraries? Pandas to load the data set. Linear regression. So maybe as of now, it's okay. Model creation. Pre-processing polynomial feature. If you want, you can delete this as of now. That is still okay. Loading the data set. The next one will be data preparation. What is the next one, sir? Data preparation. We are good to go. One more important topic. The topic will be, can you read the topic? We can create many features from feature only, but not target variable. But not what variable? That's why the topic name is called as a polynomial, not a target actually. Polynomial features. Understand this. We're అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి. Few things, sir, without explanation you can understand quickly. Come on. Here unnecessarily I have imported. I'm sorry for this. Sir, why red color? By this time you should know. If anyone is asking what is a keyword actually, small revision. Python revision required, sir. That is my answer actually, right? I can never tell directly. Okay. We are good to go. Can I tell one small joke actually? If anyone is asking still what is import, I can tell you. Once after course is done, somebody asked who is your trainer actually. Then you forget my name. That is called as a what is red color actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా sir? Sir, will you forget my name? Just I'm kidding. If you forget also no worries. That is okay. Okay, cool. Sir, successfully we have created an object, polynomial feature actually. All right. Sir, what is the value? Can you read actually? Degree. Okay, let's move on. We need to call a Daniel x underscore poly equals to obj dot fit underscore transform. You can just have to call these are all quickly. For all x we are printing actually. Okay, get ready. Daniel will do one thing. Let us just have to print x, and even let us just have to print x poly. X underscore poly. It should be lowercase, I guess. Please let us provide lowercase. That's okay. Cool. Sir, are you ready? చెప్పండి. Oh, okay. Sorry. It's okay, sir. It's okay. It should be capital. Let me provide a capital actually. Now I have a question. Can you tell me what is this? Feature. What is that? Feature. Can you tell me what is this? Polynomial feature. Come on, I'm repeating again. This line number 8 feature, line number 15 polynomial feature. Make a note on this. Okay, okay, good catch. Thank you for helping. Oh, let us apply. Wow, we know this. Don't ask how you got actually. That's what we really spend nice time actually. Okay, now move to the next one. Now what is the degree value? So come on, let's give actual. You no need to break your heads how the calculation is happening in the backend. I have one more question for you. This one is called as what exactly? Feature. This one is called as a polynomial feature. Why I am asking this one? There is a reason. Any idea what is this? Feature. This one is a polynomial feature. Yeah, good. 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, keep on, these are all things we are getting actually. More the next discussion. A degree equals to, sir, here you need to be focused actually. Here you have to be focused. Till now, are you clear? Good. Let me give a little theory. There is a theory behind of this one. Okay, let me explain some little theory. You will get an idea. Sir, when it comes to know simple linear regression, understand the syntax. Understand the syntax. model dot fit method we need to call x comma y. What is x actually? The syntax will be model comma model dot fit of. Sir, here you need to provide feature, and here you need to provide target actual. Very good. What do you mean by polynomial regression? You know? Okay, polynomial regression means model dot fit method, and here can you spell out polynomial feature? What feature? That's what you need to get a clarity actually. Okay, I'm sure you got a clarity. The next one will be target. Next one will be polynomial regression, in the sense, don't think too much. Linear regression only. For that linear regression, the feature will be, we need to provide polynomial feature. We need to provide, then the model works well actually. Model works well, right? Now here, maybe this point I can cover tomorrow also one more time. Fit of, chapter sir, x underscore poly, next one will be y. Yeah, this is what you need to be understand. Maybe it takes little longer time if I continue actually. So the good news, we done today's session actually, right? Today's session we'll connect again tomorrow. Let's keep my signature. All right. I will execute the example tomorrow. You will get an idea. It's a big example, sir. It's not possible to close in one shot. Don't miss tomorrow. Let's upload the material, please. Yeah, all right, man. All right, please take care. Yeah, thank you. You can start. Let you go. I take care about how to upload the material. Please take care. 1 minute. And I need to upload running notes also. అది ఇంకా ఫినిష్ అవ్వలేదండి. అంటే నేను డ్రాఫ్ట్ ఈరోజు శాంపుల్ కాపీ చూపించడానికి తీసుకొచ్చాను యాక్చువల్. దట్ ఐ విల్ అప్లోడ్ సార్. అంటే నాకు ఒక ప్యాటర్న్ ఉంటుంది, ఐ విల్ అప్లోడ్. అంటే మీకు పర్సనల్ గా కావాలి అంటే ఐ కెన్ షేర్ యాక్చువల్లీ, బట్ ఇన్ గూగుల్ క్లాస్ రూమ్ ఐ షుడ్ నాట్ అప్లోడ్. వై? బికాస్